Today I'm going to show you how to blend anything on rock in Adobe Photoshop. First, open your Quick Selection tool from the toolbar. And click and drag over the rock to select it. Press Ctrl-J to cut the rock from the background. Go to File. Place Embedded. And place your second image. I'll decrease the opacity all the way to 50%. Now, adjust the size and position. Hit Enter on the keyboard. Set the opacity back to 100%. Right-click on the top layer, and create Clipping Mask. And change the blending mode from normal to multiply. Click the FX icon and choose the blending options. Now, hold the Alt key to split the black slider and white slider of the underlying layer. Press OK once you're satisfied. And that's it. Thanks for watching.